any wisdom watching me eat this?
No, I think the picture speaks for itself. Beautiful little squirrel.
Campground was fantastic.
It had teats.
No.
They're very hot.
Everything come out all right?
If I could hit that phone hard enough to go into the air and catch it, I would do it.
Would you? That would require...
Dexterity?
Yeah.
I got nothing.
I know.
I'm all out.
I know.
It's protein and a little starch. That's all.
You gotta keep your head up. So
Dude, you're becoming Big Brother. If you want to find out if there's rattlesnakes, what you do is you find dead wood and you stick your hand under the dead wood. I haven't checked the beard yet, but I'm sure there's something living in there.
Are you gonna preen me later?
Ooh, baby.
So this is my buddy Larry. Yeah! Wonder Boy here needs ketchup.
A dusting.
A dusting.
I hear your voices in my head. Got some moss there. That stuff, if you put your finger in there, it'll wrap around it. Barrels for sale. Need a barrel?
No.
But we'll find a dwarf hole and be able to show you the dwarfs. But those are the hobbits. Very different kinds of hominids, hobbits and dwarfs.
So Larry mentioned he found a hole to the Middle Earth and to this so-called Earth. And what he found was an old gopher tortoise mound and burrow.
You can believe that if you want. That's what the naturalists like to say, but they're part of the conspiracy. Yeah, this is what we call deadwood.
Deadwood.
This was once
a live wood.
Live wood. Now it's dead. The pine trees are the best for this, and you just hug them. You just hug them, and you put your face there. And you just feel the love, and you just give back the love, and it's healthy, and you could feel yourself, your health improving every second you do this. You know what happens if you go down into that sinkhole?
No.
You sink. I think I'm going to sit on my haunches for a while.
How they feel?
Pretty good.
Good.
The knees are a little worn out.
Okay.
From
years of professional basketball?
No, running up and down the Florida mountains. Not really looking for peckers. Well, Juniper Springs, and there's actually a spring. Many people out there have full jars in their homes, but it's coming up from the ground. It looks like a swimming pool, but it's a spring.
It's good, man. Keep it up. Work it. Work it. Oh, yeah.